the black volume.
So, kung sabay mo na pilihan, Will, kamitin mo na pilihan.
Secret, right? Okay lang.
Okay, two-tone. So, if you want to have an awesome Sinulog experience, you have to dress up for it. Today we're here at SM City Cebu for the launch of this season's cut and style designs by Island Souvenirs. So check this video out to learn more about the best Sinulog outfits out there.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Here at the north wing of SM City Cebu, you can find the latest Island Souvenir Sinulog shirt. It's black, white, colored for men, for women, for kids. And of course, to complete the look, you should accessorize. And they have it here as well. So if you want to look fab and stand out on Sinulog 2019, you better shop early and have it cut and style. Enjoy cut and style here at Island Souvenir in 4 easy steps. First, you get to pick your favorite shirt or accessories. Second, you pay for it. And third, you fill out your order form in the third counter. And fourth, you watch as they're trained cut and stylists cut and style your shirt. And voila, you will have an awesome Sinulog shirt in just 4 easy steps. Pakita ang imong gipili na shirt.
Siya ako gipili. Charot.
My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us better.
I chose this shirt. This is for the fashion show. And then this one is for the meet and greet. See you guys on the 17th and 18th.
Shopping. Joy, money mo isang Cebu Marathon, Joy.
Lagi kaduin ko. Dili ko naman may support crew ra. Di sa ko mo run.
Ano sa man yung next run? Next competition yung mabilang?
Maybe March. Waiting for final. Unsa lang. Asa ko register sa Patafa.
So hello guys, I'm holding a Rubik's Cube and I'm gonna let the #1 player in Asia solve this one. Look, this is Leo Romeo and go! Wow! So, what's your YouTube channel? So follow him, guys! the first time is gonna look for your
the media blogger.
favorite shirt design like this.
Personalities, you are entitled to one
Mine, I picked like
Sinulog 2019
Lapu-Lapu.
shirt, one headdress,
Yes,
tatters, and 8 embellishments,
the biggest size we have is
all
double XL.
for free.
Yes, and the small
Just proceed to our cashier for
small to double XL for men.
confirmation.
So a
Then
white
you
shirt
may
is
proceed to our cut and style booth and have your
afterwards,
Island
I'm gonna pick up
Souvenirs.
some
Sinulog
accessories.
2019 shirt,
Make it
cut in style.
different than that headdress.
Pili na ka, sir.
Ganun siya, pinakita ko na kung yan. Di ko ganahan kay panuhuton ko.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are.
So finally guys, ready na mi mag-pretty tit kay ready na among
Senior.
Island Souvenir Cut and Style. So, Joms, unsa may mga activity ron Sinulog?
Ay sa mga Jumega ug mga Kalaminyon sa Todirano, invite ito mo adto mo sa January 15 sa Cebu Atrium. Atrium siya kay na meet and greet.
Sa ko ana ka ng Island Souvenirs na booth.
dito sa Pika sa Atrium. Na sila basta makita natin dito. And then ang event is 5 to 7. But ang registration mag-start 1 PM siya. Kailangan lang ninyo og receipt worth 350. Gagipalit ana nga adlaw tapos dili lang jud sa SM City Cebu nga branch and
Na Island Souvenirs,
Island Souvenirs.
And unsa man lang ma-expect nila may nimo?
Ay, gabi na! Mga ambot na yung performance yung Jumega! And then of course, meet and greet. Naadaw ko na siya games, so kita kits. And then on January 18, ay fashion show.
Dili gyapon sa North Wing sa Island Souvenir. So, thank you for watching and palit na mo inyong cut and style shirts.
Kita kits by Biwa Pitsinior.